Hey everyone, it's Team Lightning here to give you another step-by-step tutorial on how to add an employee to your system. So if you're in need of a little help, this video is for you. When you log into the home page, you will see an employee written on the left-hand side. After clicking Employee, you will see a list of your store's employees by ID, name, email, and phone number. It will also let you know which employee has access to the POS through iOS, otherwise known as their cell phone. At the bottom right corner, you will see the option to add, edit, delete, or close the tab. Click on the Add button. An Add Employee Wizard pop-up box should appear where you can then click on the Continue button to bypass and add a new employee. Next, you will add the employee's information. Here, you will create the employee's ID. This is usually just their initials. Next, you will input their last name, first name, phone number, and email. If you want, you can include the employee's address, but it's not necessary to add them into the system. You can now move on to the next page by clicking the Continue and Save button. You should now see a pop-up box where you can give the employee a temporary password. They will be prompted to change this once they log into the POS for the first time. On this pop-up box, you can control if you want this new employee to have access to the POS through their iPad and iPhone by selecting Yes or No out of the drop box. In this case, we leave the drop box on No before we hit the Continue and Save button to move on to the next page, where you can then decide the employee's discount for each department. Next, the employer can decide how much access they want the new employee to have, such as ringing sales or completing inventory. For example, if we click on ringing sales, everything in green the new employee has access to when ringing in a sale, and everything in red the new employee does not have access to. After clicking Continue, the employer can then decide where they want the system to be alerted for any changes made, such as when inventory is added or a new employee. You can just check the box if you want the system to be alerted through email, text, or push notification. After clicking Continue, you will now be congratulated for adding the new employee into the system. You can now finish and be redirected to the employee list where you can now see the new employee that has been added. I hope this video was able to help, and thank you all for watching. We will be uploading more videos, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us on social media.